Manufacturers are betting everything on the hope that you will not look past the shiny stickers on the box. You walk into a store and see a massive 65-inch screen boasting about quantum dots and a billion different colors. It looks like a dream. The frame is made of unibody metal, and the borders are so thin they are practically invisible. It feels like a piece of high-end art for your living room. When you first turn it on, the visuals really do hit you hard. The colors are vibrant and rich. They do not look like those thin, pale images you get from budget displays. You see every shade in a sunset. You see the deep greens of a forest. It feels like you are getting a premium experience for a fraction of the cost. But that beauty is only skin deep because the brain inside this machine is effectively a relic. They have packed a processor that is 3 years old into a brand new shell. It is like putting a lawnmower engine inside a sports car. When you try to navigate the smart interface, the cracks start to show immediately. This system uses the latest smart software, which is great for finding movies, but it is very heavy. It requires a lot of power to run smoothly. With only 2 gigabytes of memory and a tiny amount of storage, the hardware just cannot keep up. You will find yourself staring at loading icons more than you should. You will feel that frustrating lag when you are just trying to switch from a movie to a settings menu. Even the physical connections feel dated. Having only one older style port for your accessories is a massive bottleneck in a world where we have so many devices to plug in. If you are someone who loves to play the latest video games, this screen is going to let you down. The refresh rate is stuck at a standard level that cannot handle the high-speed action of modern consoles. Everything would feel just a little bit slower and less responsive than it should. But the most disappointing part of this story is what they removed without telling anyone. The previous version of this same line of displays included top-tier video processing that made every highlight and shadow look perfect. In this newest release, they just took it away. They did not mention it in the highlights. They did not drop the price. They just delivered less for the same amount of money. Most people standing in an aisle at the store will never notice that missing feature until they get home and realize the picture could have been even better. It is a classic move of giving with one hand and taking with the other. If you are a casual viewer who just wants a big, bright screen for your nightly shows, you might not mind the slow menus. The color quality really is impressive for what you pay. However, if you want a machine that is actually built for the future, you might find that the older model is actually the smarter buy. It is a reminder that the newest thing on the shelf is not always the best thing for your home. You have to look past the thin bezels and see what you are actually trading away. Do not let the marketing terms fool you into thinking you are getting the latest and greatest tech just because the box says so. Sometimes the best path forward is actually looking at what worked better a year ago. Keep your eyes on the specs and don't let a pretty frame distract you from the truth under the hood.